Hi guys, welcome back to Easy Learning. After a very long time, I'm back with my videos. So this time I've brought with the subject named business law. This is also called as legal aspects of business for MBA students. This subject is basically studied in BBA, BCom, MCom and MBA courses. So whoever is wanting to know or to study concepts out of this subject can refer my videos. Okay, so let's start with the slide. Business law, I'll give some information about the subject. So the subject is basically, it considers the laws, rules, regulations which have to be followed by the businesses in our country. Okay, so moving on with the next slide, let us know about agreement, right? The meaning of agreement, because business laws are comprised with some basic concepts. So in my initial slides you will be studying regarding the basic concepts for this business law. So what do you mean by agreement? Agreement is very simple. It happens between two parties, right? And agreement is nothing but it is a promise made by one party to another party. Here offer is being given to the other party, where the offerer states about the information regarding the business or the purpose of entering into or giving an offer to the other party, and the other party accepts the same offer as it is. So there is offer and acceptance in agreement. Agreement is nothing but it is offer plus acceptance. As you can see in the slide, in the last part I have mentioned it. Agreement is nothing but it is offer plus acceptance. Say Mr. A is offering to sell his house for 2 crore rupees and Mr. B is accepting to purchase Mr. A's house at 2 crore rupees. So here there is an agreement of sale between these two parties, right? There is definition which is given under section 2 subsection E. It says that every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each is known as an agreement. Here consideration is nothing but the benefit which is being earned by entering into the agreement, right? In the same example what I gave, Mr. A is earning 2 crore by selling his house. So this 2 crore is consideration for Mr. A. Mr. B is purchasing a house where he is paying the amount to the other party. So house is coming as benefit for Mr. B. So consideration is nothing but it is benefit out of the agreement, entering into the agreement. Moving on, next we have contract. Meaning of contract, it is comprised of agreement. Okay, a contract is nothing but, in a very simple manner if you say it, agreement which is enforceable by law, matlab which has to be it should fall in the legal aspects or legal framework of our court of law. Such agreements are called as contracts. Now, all agreements cannot be called as contracts, but all contracts which will surely be having the agreements, right? Agreement with a friend for a social purpose is not considered as a contract. Say Mr. A calls up Mr. B for a dinner party. Here the cause or the purpose is social, so you cannot call it as a contract, right? If there is a object or a legal obligation, then it is called as a contract. There is definition which is given under section 2H of Indian Contract Act. It defines agreement as an agreement which is enforceable by law. Okay, so contract is equal to agreement plus enforceability. Yeah, I hope you have understood the meaning of agreement and contract. In the next slide, I'll be coming up with the continuation of these subjects. Thank you.